Mama Odie. We don't want to take up too much of your
Y'all
time.
want some candy? Well, now that's too bad. It's a special candy. It would have turned y'all human.
Oh, wait, no, please.
I'm just messing with y'all.
How on earth did you know we wanted to turn back?
Juju! Why did you tell me my gumbo was burning?
You sure this is the right blonde voodoo lady who lives in the bowl in the tree in the bayou?
Pretty sure.
Oh, gotta do everything around here. Taste this.
Hit it hard with a couple of shots of Sebastian. It's a bee's knees. Now can we?
Juju! Yeah, that's got some zing to it. That's just what it needed. Y'all figure out what you need?